Net issues. Okay, fine. Yeah, uncle. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's here connected. Hi everyone. We are facing a lot of internet issues. Just give us few minutes. अभी बस हवन हुआ है, and we'll just start the prayer meeting in a couple of minutes. ठीक है. गाड़ी वाला तो शुड वी वेट फॉर यू? वेट कर लेते हैं आपकी 5 मिनट की बात है. आप पंडित जी थोड़ा ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा. 5 मिनट वेट कर लेते हैं. नहीं, ये बस लोगों से मैसेजेस हैं, वो वाला एक मीटिंग स्टार्ट करना. 5 मिनट में. ठीक है. हाँ, ये कर लेते हैं. आधे घंटे रुक सकते हैं. ठीक है, आ जाइए. लेट्स स्टार्ट करना. हाँ, श्रुति सुमित आ जाइए. Thank you everyone. I hope you can hear us. Just give us a signal like this if you can hear me. Just check. I think they can't hear us. Can they hear us? Just
रामायण में भी ने लिखा है कि जब राजा दशरथ का देहांत हो गया था तो गुरु वशिष्ठ ने भरत जी को बड़े संक्षिप्त में समझाया था. सुनो भी प्रलभ बिलख कहो मुनिनाथ लाभ जीवन मरण जस जस विधि हाथ. के हाथ में है, ये किसी को नहीं है. इसलिए सुख को समाप्त करके ये जी तुम अपने पिता का अंतिम संस्कार करिएगा और अंत्यक्रिया करिएगा और अपने शोक को समाप्त कर करके इससे जैसे कुल की आपकी वृद्धि हो, इसलिए आप पिंडदान करिएगा, हवन यज्ञ कराइएगा, गायत्री का जाप करिएगा, गौदान, भूमिदान, स्वर्णदान, चांदीदान जो भी आपके पास में है दे करके ब्राह्मणों का सत्कार कर करके ऐसे अपने शोक को दूर कीजिएगा. भरत जी को गुरु वशिष्ठ ने बहुत प्रकार से समझा दिया. तो हम कहते हैं राम नाम सुखदाई भजन करो भाई जीवन 2 दिन का. राम नाम सुखदाई भजन करो भाई जीवन 2 दिन का. ये जीवन है माटी का ढेला, ये जीवन है माटी का ढेला, बूंद पर गल जाई भजन करो भाई ये जीवन 2 दिन का. राम नाम सुखदाई भजन करो भाई ये जीवन 2 दिन का. ये जीवन है पानी का बूंदा, ये जीवन है पानी का बूंदा, बूंद पर जल जाई भजन करो भाई ये जीवन दो दिन का, ये जीवन है फूलों की बगिया, ये जीवन है फूलों की बगिया, धूप लगे मुरझाई, धूप लगे मुरझाई, भजन कर भाई, ये जीवन दो दिन का, राम नाम सुखदाई, भजन करो भाई, ये जीवन दो दिन का। भगवान कहते हैं जितना भी समय एक घड़ी आधी में पुनियाद, तुलसी संगत साध की कटे कोटि अपराध है। इसलिए भगवान कहते हैं कि मेरे चाहने वाले मेरे प्रिय प्राणियों, अगर एक पल भी मुझे याद करते हो तो उसका दुखों का निवारण मैं करूंगा। एक घड़ी आधी में पुनियाद, इसलिए पूरा समय नहीं है तो एक पल भी भगवान का याद कर लो तो भी दिया है। अब शोक को समाप्त करने के लिए क्या कहा है, डोली लेके प्रभु द्वार पर आ गए, मेरे अरमा पड़े रह गए, डोली लेके प्रभु द्वार पर आ गए, मेरे अरमा पड़े रह गए, चार बातें न भगवंत मैं कर सका, लाख चाहा मगर कुछ भी कह ना सका, उस समय मेरे जुगना तो हिल ना सकी, डोली लेके प्रभु द्वार पर आ गए, मेरे अरमा पड़े के पड़े।
ये जो मैसेज दे रहे हैं,
सॉरी क्षमा चाहते हैं, एक बार ये मीटिंग खत्म कर देंगे फिर लोग थोड़ा फ्री हो जाएंगे, फिर हम लोग वापस करेंगे। ठीक नहीं, आई थिंक वी कैन कीप इट विद यू। चलो यू वांट
थोड़ा सा
वो नहीं दोनों बेटी और बेटा बोलेंगे। लीजिए जी।
तो जब मैं बोल रहा था वहाँ बैठा अपनी
बाबू एक गिलास पानी लाइएगा। पानी को भी चाहिए।
Shall I start?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello everyone. Am I audible? Hakeem uncle, if you can give me a thumbs up. Okay, dear uncle, aunties, friends, brothers, sisters, ladies and gentlemen. It is with a very heavy heart that I stand before you all today to pray in grief for my beloved mother. I am thankful to all of you for joining us in our moment of grief. Pooja, or Bhagi, was a loving mother, an adoring wife, a dear sister. More than anything else, I think she was a friend, philosopher, and guide for each one of us. I say Yaro ki Yar. Each one of you are connected with her deeply at different levels and have had unforgettable moments and memories with her. As a mother, she took a lot of pride in bringing us up and imbibing strong values. It would be our greatest achievement if we could even achieve half or be half of what she was. As a mother-in-law, she was more concerned about Shruti and Sumit than she was about me and Isha. As a grandmother, she spoiled Riyansh and Advik to be such brats. They miss their Dadi and Nani and her constant pampering. As a wife, she leaves a void in the life of my father, who would seek her advice for everything, and it's a difficult loss. Our relatives. She was a bonding factor amongst our family, always there to help, to look after, and be there on all occasions, happy or sad. Her friends were her life, and I'd say it with conviction that she made friends across all age groups. She maintained contact with all of them and touched lives in ways that we never imagined. It is the blessings and well wishes of her friends like you that made her happy, and she went to any extent to put a smile on her friends' faces. It took her just one meeting to get someone to like her, and thereafter, she, in her loving ways, continued the relationship. We all are humbled, grateful for your wishes, prayers, love, and condolences in this moment of grief. In the last few days, the concern expressed by all of you has been phenomenal and has been a pillar of strength for all of us. She will be missed, and it is her memories that remain with us to be cherished forever. Thank you. I now would request my cousin Latudi to take on ahead, please. Latudi. Latudi, just a moment, I'll just unmute you. Latudi?
Okay. Am I Naresh? Bebita, Neeru? Awaaz aa rahi hai?
Yeah, you're clear.
Okay. Namaste everyone. I am Lata and all of you know me as Latu, and I can proudly say Bhagi Auntie's favorite niece. She was like a mother to me, a sister, and my best friend. She, from being the best Sasuma, the best Nani to my tea, the list is endless. If we have something known as the family award function, she would win all of them. She taught me everything. Last 5 years that we were posted in Delhi, I was very close to her. We would meet almost every day, talk on phones for hours. I would like to share small details, which I don't know if all of you know. Right from arranging my cupboard, she taught me how to keep my kitchen cupboards properly. My utensils, you know, she had a typical way of keeping the utensils. Making simple food items like bread pakoda, she taught me the way she made it because my children would love that. Storing things when it would be not the monsoon season, that things need to be stored in the freezer. She was my 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 6 p.m., 9 a.m. Anytime that I wanted, I could call her. And I would never think twice. Ki, utha to nahi dungi. Yeah, she's not. But she would answer my call. For hours we would talk and nothing important. At time, as silly as ki, aaj मेरा कुछ बनाने का मन नहीं है आंटी तो क्या बनाऊं, and she would say मैगी बना ले, or something very serious like कि आज बच्चों ने ये किया, आज बच्चों का फोन नहीं आया. So that was the type of relationship I had with her. About the family, she was always the first one to reach for anybody's sickness, for anybody's pain. I'm sure in our family there's not a single person जिसकी शादी पे आंटी ना आई हो. Uncle was posted in field areas. He could not accompany her. But Isha, Neeru और auntie हर शादी में, हर occasion में पहुंची. whether it was happiness थी या किस कोई बीमार था, कोई hospitalized था, she was the first one to reach. Remembering our birthdays, our anniversaries, not only remembering, हम लोगों को मैसेज भी करके बताती थी कि आज उसका बर्थडे है, भूल तो नहीं गई, अच्छा उनको याद दिला दे। बड़ी मासी को फोन करके बताती थी आज उसकी एनिवर्सरी है, दीदी तू विश कर देना। She was the bond, the connector, the one who connected all of us. She taught me how to love unconditionally. Believe me, she always said कि जब हम किसी के लिए कुछ अच्छा करते हैं ना, it comes back to us. She said कि बेटा हम किसी को कुछ दे नहीं सकते, हम जब अच्छा करते हैं वो हम अपने लिए कमाते हैं. And that is one lesson I learned from her, that she would just do for people without expecting things back. There were times when you know we really didn't even reciprocate or feel it what she had done, but she just did her bit, never asking for anything in return. I have lost a great part of my life. My morning phone call companion during the last 8 months, most of you won't believe it. सुबह जब मैं झाड़ू पोछा करती थी लॉकडाउन में, I used to put in my headphones and the first number I could dial was Bhagi auntie, and we would keep talking and you know just talk for hours, just talk about anything. I could talk to her about anything, latest fashion, latest movie, face पे एलो वेरा लगाना है, आज खाने में क्या बनाना है, then family gossips, we would exchange family gossips. The list is endless. One thing which I'm going to miss the most, जो सुबह उनके messages आते थे, she would always send me personalized message. I'm sure she sent to most of you. जादू की झप्पी, सुबह वाली चाय की good morning. I have just written a small poem for her. That's my way of saying goodbye to her. मासी मतलब माँ जैसी, मासी वो नहीं जो जन्म से आपकी माँ बनकर आए, मासी वो है जो अपने प्यार दुलार से आपकी माँ बन जाए, मासी वो नहीं जो हर बार नजर आए, मासी वो है जो दूर से भी दुआ दे जाए, मासी वो नहीं जो सिर्फ दुख में याद आए, मासी वो है जो खुशी में आंसू बन छलक जाए। आज मासी आसमान का वो तारा है जिससे एक गहरा ताल्लुक हमारा है। जब किसी रात गर हम अकेले उनके लिए तरसेंगे, हमें पता है सदा उनके बादल हम पर बरसेंगे। आप थी प्यारी नटखट निश्चल चंचल, हमेशा रहेंगी दिल में बनकर हमारी प्यारी मासी एंजल। That is all I can say to you, Bhagi auntie. We all love you. This is from all of us, your Maika. We all love you, all the Masis, all your sisters, all your nieces and nephews, all of, and nobody can take your place, auntie. और अब भी जब भी हमें जरूरत होगी, हम आप ही को बुलाएंगे। और अब मुझे पता है जहाँ भी होंगी, आप वहाँ से हमको अपनी blessings देंगी, and we will still call out to you. ये रिश्ता यहाँ पे खत्म नहीं होता। Thank you.
Thank you, Latuji. Stay strong.
Rinku?
Rinku, 1 second, will you just unmute you? Yeah.
I'm audible.
Yes.
Hi, Rinku Rakesh is our cousin. He's my Tauji's son. So on behalf of all of us, he has something to say.
Namaskar. मेरा नाम राकेश मारवा है, and I am one of the nephew. And as Latu Didi said, I mean, I am also considered myself as one of the favorite nephew. इस मौके पर जिस शख्सियत की प्रार्थना में हम सब एकत्रित हुए हैं, शी इज नॉट अ नॉर्मल लेडी. वो एक साधारण महिला नहीं थी, एंड आई कैन प्राउडली से, बिकॉज उनके जीने का सलीका ही बिल्कुल अलग था, उनके मायने ही बहुत अलग थे. शी वाज एन इंस्पिरेशन टू मोस्ट ऑफ अस. अगर हम उनके बारे में सोचने में, बातें करने में, अगर हम इनफैक्ट में जितना सोचते जाएंगे तो आई थिंक द डे इज नॉट गोइंग टू एंड. जब जब मैं उनके बारे में सोचता हूँ, अपने आप को उनके सबसे करीब पाता हूँ. एंड जब भी इनफैक्ट में ऐसा होता था कि मैं किसी और से बात करता था तो इनफैक्ट में वो भी उतना ही करीब पाता था. सो दिस इज आई थिंक द ब्यूटी ऑफ हर. उनकी ये बहुत बड़ी खूबी थी कि वो सबको अपनी इक्वल जगह और सबको इंपॉर्टेंस देती थी. व्हेन इट कम्स टू रिश्ते, तो जनरल एनसी मारवा जो हमारे चाचा हैं, जब वो देश की सेवा में जुटे हुए थे, तो चाची वाज द वन. चाची वाज द वन अमन हु वाज एक्चुअली विद द फैमिली एंड प्लेइंग द रोल ऑफ बोथ ऑफ देम. पूरे परिवार को, रिश्तों को जिन कड़ियों के साथ में जोड़ना, आई थिंक उनसे बेहतर पूरे खानदान में किसी को नहीं आता. और उन्होंने सभी रिश्ते बड़े बाखूबी निभाए हैं. चाहे वो रिश्ता माँ, चाची या मामी का हो, चाहे वो देवरानी और भाभी का हो, और चाहे वो नानी या दादी का हो, सभी रिश्ते उन्होंने इतने बाखूबी निभाए हैं कि नो वन कैन एक्चुअली टेक हर प्लेस. जब भी मैं उनके बारे में सोचता हूँ तो बहुत सारी क्वालिटीज निकल के आती हैं, बट अभी जैसे दिमाग के अंदर में अगर होस्टिंग की बात करें तो शी वाज एक्चुअली अ वंडरफुल होस्ट. I still remember when they were actually posted in Andaman Nicobar and we've been there, and she was very carefree in terms of keep the kids with me and you guys have fun. And I think those days are never going to come back, in not only in our life but in anyone's life. I still remember कि वो किस तरह से, मतलब वो सबको जोड़ के रखती थी, किस तरह से छोटे छोटे इनफैक्ट में व्हाट आर यू वेयरिंग, व्हाट यू शुड एक्चुअली डू इट. शी वाज आल्सो नोन फॉर हर एडवाइसेस इन द फैमिली for all the age groups. Even if you are in kindergartens and you have your own set of problems, you have your own set of challenges, she's the one who can suggest to you. You grow up and then you have your girlfriends, boyfriends, and you are looking forward to some kind of a commitment. Then also she is there. वो तब भी आपको suggest कर सकती हैं. You are somewhere entering into a relationship and you are married and you are somewhere struggling or finding it difficult to establish new relationships. I think she's the best. She's the best in it. वो तुमको तुम्हारी जगह बता सकती हैं, वो तुम्हारे माँ बाप को तुम्हारी माँ बाप की जगह समझा सकती हैं. I think she's the one favorite for all the age group. What to say? She's a great singer. She's bold. She's cheerful. She's the personality you look up to. इतने जिंदादिली इंसान के लिए आई थिंक ऐसा मेरा सोच है कि एक भी आंसू बहाना उनकी शान के खिलाफ है. मैं ऐसा मानता हूं बिकॉज उन्होंने हर मौके पर स्ट्रांग होना दिखाना. तो लतू दीदी, मैं आपसे भी रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं एंड बाकी सबसे भी रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि मतलब आज भी जब हम उनके बारे में सोचते हैं तो फेस पे एक बहुत बड़ी स्माइल आ जाती है. कानों में उनकी वो खिलखिलाती हुई हंसी गूंजती है. जब वो यहाँ पर घर पे आती थी, इनफैक्ट एक रूम में रहती थी, तो हमारे आस पड़ोस वाले सभी नेबर्स ये पूछा करते थे कि कौन आई हैं, जो इनफैक्ट मतलब यहाँ से लेके नीचे से लेके ऊपर तक और ऊपर से लेके मतलब दाएं बाएं तक में इनफैक्ट में उन्हीं की आवाजें आती थी. सो आई थिंक as rightly said, no one can take your place. अभी भी इनफैक्ट में कोई वो आपकी जगह नहीं ले पाया है. और मैं आशा करता हूं कि अगर हम उनकी अच्छी क्वालिटीज की कुछ परसेंटेज, वेरी फ्यू, अगर हम उनकी ले पाए तो आई थिंक वी कैन बी लीडिंग अ मीनिंगफुल लाइफ. वी कैन हैव अ वर्ल्ड which is full of joy, love, and we can make our place a better world. Salute to Mrs. Pooja Marwa, and I think we all love you, and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Rinku. Now, on behalf of our extended family, that is the Kumar Regiment and the Kumar Regimental family, I request General Rajendra sir, Uncle, please to say a few words. I'll just unmute you, Uncle.
Namaskar.
We can hear you, Uncle.
Yeah, namaskar. Friends, what can one say about a personality whom you have seen right from the early ages in the army? When she came as a bride to Naresh, it was a great pleasure to see such a charming little lady stepping into the world of an infantry officer. And but one thing which had struck all of us was that here was a lady who is going to make waves. And waves she did make. She made a waves not only as an embodiment of the righteousness, she also made waves because she was like a rock of Gibraltar along with her husband. She was, I think she was an ideal mother. Of course, both of us, me and my wife, we shared a very special relationship with her. We have seen her grow. We have grown together in the Kumaon Regiment. Of course, in the same battalion, I've seen her as a commanding officer's wife. What a charming lady she was. She was everywhere organizing things, carrying everyone with her. Everybody seemed to love her. And when I saw her, I told her, Pooja, you are great. Pooja ji, tusi great ho. And this is not really something which I'm saying just for the sake of saying it. I am totally convinced that as a colonel of the regiment's wife, she was again an embodiment of togetherness. The kind for which army is famous for, I think that kind of a reputation is derived because we have people. We had ladies like Pooja Marwa in our midst. She was an ideal senior officer's wife. She was not only somebody who brought up her children very well, but she also could be a great source of inspiration for all other junior officers amongst everybody else. And there was nobody who can beat her in the Kumaon spirit. Even in her children's marriages, there was one thing which was totally a glow, whether it was the most formal parties or whether it was cocktails, dinners, anything. You could find that the primacy of the place will go to the Kumaoni songs. And that was something which I always loved about her. A lady who has stood by her family, particularly her husband, in all kind of situations. Not only in all kind of situations, even in a helicopter crash. She was the one who was along with Naresh when their helicopter crashed at Port Blair. But I think the gods were looking over them. It was basically the blessings of Pooja that both of them came out from that crash absolutely harmless. So Pooja ji, I fully agree with your nephew that the greatest homage that we can pay a personality like you will be to remember your memories, to see that the kind of things which you have always upheld. And I think very beautifully it has been put by your nephew and niece, particularly the niece, who says that she was all over. She was friend to everyone. Everybody could confide with her. And I think this is a quality which all of us need to imbibe. And lastly, I would like to say one thing, that I have had the pleasure of seeing her children. I think she has, the way she has brought them up is phenomenal. And my salutations to her for doing a great job. I hope the other parents here could be half as good. At least I would like everyone to remember that we had a personality like this in the Kumaon regiment, in 8 Kumaon. Amongst the colonels of the regiment, we had a personality, a wife who could really carry everyone with her. So Pooja ji, we will remember you. We will always remember you. This regiment will never forget you. This Kumaon family, 8 Kumaon family will never forget you. And we personally, both, and my wife Asha, we both will never forget you. So wherever you are, stay happy, stay well, and bless everyone around you. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Hi. Thank you so much, Rajendra uncle. You and auntie are very, very special to mom. And mom would always say ki Rajendra uncle ki tarah baat karo. You know, when he talks, it's just very, very genuine. So she would always tell me that, you know, you must talk like Rajendra uncle. So I do look up to you for that. We have next Gurmeet auntie. Ranu auntie is mom's very good friend and neighbor. She's actually traveling now, but she requested if she can join in. Gurmeet auntie, if you can hear me, आप बोल सकते हैं आंटी अभी.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
All yours, auntie.
I and Gurmeet is also here.
Auntie, please go for it, auntie.
To be very honest, it's so difficult to come out with any words to express our love, our reverence for ma'am. In fact, she was not a senior officer's wife, but she was like an elder sister. In fact, been so close to her. And to be honest, I don't know, there's so many incidents of life where she's blessed us. And the beauty about her was that हक से प्यार करती थी, मतलब she was the one who would always so kind to us, guided us at every moment. And it is not 1 year, it is our entire life that we have spent with her. In fact, I remember I'm from Forasam, ma'am's elder sister, she's my Pelton. In fact, we've been part of the family since then, you know. And when sir was posted in Lucknow from that time, it's a decades and decades. I honestly, I was the BGS to General, and there I've seen her as a corps commander's wife. I honestly don't know how to express my inner feeling, because to me she was so royal, she was so elderly, she was like a sister. There are not one incident there, but there are thousands of incidents where, to me, to be very honest, it's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. But you know, even in the last times, uh, we are staying in the same block, and it's a part of the family, and we spent such beautiful times. To me, I will never believe, but I am of a very firm opinion that she's changed the form, but she's still with us. She'll always keep blessing each one of us. And, uh, you know, my daughter, my son in law, uh, uh, and daughter in law, all of them are not able to believe, but I don't know, my sincerest prayer to Vaheguru, to she's on an eternal journey. My ardas to Vaheguru to grant her the eternal peace. And Rano.
ईशा, मिसेस मारवा मेरे लिए क्या थी ये एक्सप्लेन करना मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है. शी वाज माय सिस्टर, शी वाज माय फ्रेंड, फिलोसोफर एंड गाइड. मुझे अभी भी लगता है एवरी डे कि बेल बजेगी और बोलेंगी रानू चल चाय पिला, चाय पीने के लिए आई हूँ. एंड ये कि मिसेस वर्मा इज नॉट देयर तो मैं सिंक इन करना मेरे लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है. मतलब बता नहीं सकती कि वो मेरे लिए क्या थी. इट्स नॉट ए वर्ड टू एक्सप्लेन कि हम दोनों के रिलेशन कैसे थे और दिल खोल के बात करते थे. अभी मुझे लगता है कि मेरे पास कोई है ही नहीं जिससे मैं अपने दिल खोल के बात कर सकूं. तो बहुत ज्यादा नहीं बोल पाऊंगी क्योंकि मैं आई कुडंट कंट्रोल माय टीयर्स के. प्लीज जहां भी रहें वो मेरे साथ हमेशा मेरे अंदर जिंदा रहेंगी और जहां भी उनका वो होगा भगवान उनको शांति से पीसफुली अच्छी लाइफ दे. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, Auntie. And um, so I just wanted to say that, thank you, first of all. It's your love for mom because of which you all are here. And I know all of you all want to say a lot of things, but we are restricted. So I will try and close our meeting. I want to tell all of you all that it's been a very emotional and a very difficult time for all of us as a family. But we are doing exactly what mom would have done. And that's what is inspiring us. That's what is guiding us. My mom would have done this today, and that's what we are doing. We spent last couple of days together as a family, remembering her good moments, her positive moments, her fun moments. We've been doing a lot of donations. We've been taking care of help, household help in our house, and just living her values in terms of what she would have done. And that's what is giving us a lot of strength. I want to take a minute to explain the WhatsApp invite which all of you all had got. ये मॉम का एक WhatsApp मैसेज ही था जो हमने कॉपी पेस्ट करके लिखा है. माना कि जिंदगी की राहें आसान नहीं, मगर मुस्कुरा के चलने में कोई नुकसान नहीं, जिंदगी गुलजार है. We found a diary of mom's which is next to her bed. और उस डायरी में मॉम हर रोज 2-3 लाइन पहले लिखती थी हिंदी में और फिर उसको टाइप करके आप सबको मैसेज भेजती थी. So she would take almost an hour or so during her chai time to write all those WhatsApp messages to you. And we have been humbled by receiving all those messages back. And we found this diary of hers where she's actually saved all these good morning messages. I don't know if they were genuine or they were copies, but it was her love for all of you all where she wanted to connect with each one of you all every morning and share those messages. The other thing was last few days we were looking for a picture of mom and हमने बहुत photographs ढूंढी and we realized that we don't have a single picture of mom where she's not wearing sunglasses. So mom will always say कि मेरे को चश्मे पहन के फोटो लो because उसमें मेरी नहीं तो आंखें बहुत छोटी दिखती हैं या आंखें मेरी पफी दिखती हैं, so I will always wear sunglasses. This is the only picture where she's actually holding her sunglasses in her hand, and then she would always tell dad and me कि तुम मेरी फोटो ऐसे छोटी छोटी लेते हो, ऐसी फोटो लो कि मैं लंबी दिखूं. So we would laugh at her कि mom, how can you look tall? हम कैसे आपको लंबी दिखाएं? But we thought in this picture she's looking fairly tall, and then she would say कि मेरी side pose में लो क्योंकि मैं ऐसे पतली दिखती हूँ. So then we chose a picture where she's actually standing in a side pose so that she's looking fit. And then you've seen the Nariyal behind that picture is actually from Port Blair. And Nariyal Pani because that's what she was sipping on a lot before she left all of us. So that's the significance of the WhatsApp message. I just want to probably repeat saying that mom stood for a lot of positivity and happiness, and it's a legacy which we all need to collectively take forward. I can't promise that I can take her shoes, they're big shoes to fill, but I will certainly try my best. I would want to stay connected with all of you all, live her memories, share and spread the happiness and the love which she has been spreading with all of you all. So it will be my pleasure if you all can share all of that love and be connected with us. We are really humbled and we have been actually overwhelmed with the kind of love and support which you have been sharing for us, for dad, for everybody in the last couple of days, the kind of messages that we all have been sharing, the support which you all have been giving to the family. And that is the real testimony of what my mother has left all of us with. She's left all of you all to take care of us. We rely a lot on the same love, on the same support,
we rely on all of you all to help us through this difficult time and give us that strength to cope. Lastly, I just want to say there was, there was a video which I had sent. I used to send video messages to mom every morning. The day she went, I sent a video message. जो मैंने dad को भेजा था, but वो काफी groups में चला गया. And a lot of Fauji's replied saying that, what a brave soldier's daughter. What a brave soldier's daughter. I want to correct that. While I am a brave soldier's daughter and I am standing shoulder to shoulder with my father today, but that genes in me is my mother's. She's the fighter and she's the soldier. She is the real soldier. And she's the one who is giving me the strength. So I take a lot of pride in being my mother's daughter. I know what Pooja Marwa or Bhagi auntie stood for. And I take pride in being your daughter. Mama, bye. No one can imagine how much I miss you, how much I love you. But it's my sincere prayer that you be happy wherever you are, Mama. And I know you will be happy if we all are happy. So I promise that I will be happy. And I would request all of you all to also live your lives in a happy and wholesome manner, because nothing will give her more happiness than seeing all of you all really happy. Thank you so much. Again, from the family, you all have been waiting. You have been on the Zoom link for a while. Thank you so much for waiting and being there for mom, for all of us. We truly appreciate it. A lot of you have been concerned about that. We are taking good care of him. We are standing shoulder to shoulder with him. I know you all are there. The entire Kumar regiment is there. So we know that Dad will be absolutely fine. His friends, his family, relatives, everybody is there in this moment for Dad and for all of us. Thank you all so much. If there is anybody who would want to say something, and that's my son Arvik, if there's anybody who would want to say something, let us know. Please write on the chat box. We'll unmute you because we still have a couple of minutes. And आपको कुछ बोलना है, आप please मैं आपको unmute कर देती हूँ और आप please बोलिए. I think I wants to say something. एक second. आई बाबा मेरे in-laws हैं, भोपाल में है अभी. My mother-in-law writes very nice Hindi poems, and she wants to share something. P.S. Gurjar. P.S. Gurjar. Baba? Ai Baba? नहीं वैसे.
हेलो.
हाँ जी बाबा, आ रही है आपके पास.
आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ जी आ रही है.
आई बोल रही है.
हाँ जी.
अनमोल. हेलो. हेलो.
हाँ जी.
आप सबके सामने मैं अनमोल गुणों की धनी पूजा जी को याद कर रही हूँ, और सच में मुझे इस बात का गरूर है कि वो मेरी समधन थी, और ऐसी समधन जिनके ऊपर नाज किया जा सकता है. जहां तक गुणों का सवाल है, क्या नहीं था उनमें? मिलनसार, सहज, सरल, उदार, हर एक के बारे में सोचने वाली, हर एक के लिए अपने मदद के हाथ खुले दिल से पेश करने वाली वो थी. और मुझे तो लगता है कि उनके सरीखे अतिथि सत्कार करने वाला भी कोई दुर्लभ ही होगा. हम अंडमान निकोबार के एक एक दिन की याद रखते हैं, और वो समंदर की जो शोभा उन्होंने हमको दिखाई, और जो हर जगह की खासियत बताई, वो सब उनकी कलात्मक रुचि, उनका सबके प्रति अतुल स्नेह. मुझे बड़ा ताजुब लगता था कि जब वो सोचती थी कि हाँ, हमारे भाइयों की जो बच्चे हैं उनके लिए भी अलग से मिठाई का डिब्बा लेके आना, उनके लिए गिफ्ट लाना, इतना मैंने बहुत गहराई तक सोचने वाली, हर एक की मदद करने वाली, और बहुत ही ज्यादा संवेदनशील। सवेरा हमारा साथ चाय पीने से होता था। वो कहती थी, प्रतिभा जी मैं आपकी चाय के लिए इंतजार करती हूँ। साथ हम लोग रहे। जब आद्विक हुआ तो कई महीने साथ रहे और हर दिन सुबह इतनी सुंदर होती थी और बहुत देर तक उनके स्नेह का मुझे सौभाग्य मिला। सचमुच उनके शरीर की वे ही थी और उनकी पूजा सचमुच मानव मात्र की उन्होंने पूजा की और हर एक के लिए बहुत कुछ उदारता से दिया और यह देना ही उनकी सबसे बड़ी देन है। और हम सब उनके प्रति अपने हृदय की अशेष शुभकामनाएं और श्रद्धांजलि आदरांजलि प्रस्तुत करते हैं और ये उम्मीद करते हैं कि वो हमेशा जहां जहां भी हैं, वो जैसा कि अभी कहा सभी ने बताया कि वो तो उनका स्थान अटल है और वो हमेशा हमेशा हमें याद रहेंगी। निश्चित ही उनके प्रति यही मेरी आदरांजलि है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, I. Anyone else who would like to say a few words? Okay, so I think with that we'll close. Thank you so much once again. Let's stay connected and keep mom in our prayers. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.